This video will demonstrate how to use the Griffith Tuntel 176 software and weighing hardware within your grain storage process. The site featured within this video uses two 15.3 metre long by 50 tonne weighbridges in combination with Griffith Tuntel software, a Samplex CX90 grain sampler and a FOSS Infratech analyzer. The two weighbridges are used as an in and out weighing station for the grain trucks as they come in and out of the storage site. Initially, the truck is weighed in as it enters the site. The driver parks his truck onto the bridge and removes the cover to expose the load of grain held on board. The weighbridge operator now uses the remote-controlled grain sampler to dip into the fully loaded truck, gaining a sample from the core of the truckload. This small sample of grain from the truck is then pulled off into the office via a vacuum chute, fed from the grain sampler. Once emptied into the bucket, the operator takes a handful of grain and checks the kernels for damage and infestation. Once the operator is satisfied with the visual quality, the grain can now be fed into the grain analyzer that is attached to the Griffith Tuntel software. The analyzer used within this site is a FOSS. However, the software can communicate with most industry standard analyzers. Once a handful of grain has been fed into the analyzer begins to process it. To do this, it takes 10 separate samples to provide an accurate average for each measurement that it is gauging. Once complete, the FOSS analyzer shows on the screen the relevant measurements for that crop. In this example, the values that are measured are the protein content, moisture content, and the volume weight. These all help to determine the quality of the grain and can be used in the payment process to help the farmer know exactly what they are bringing into their stores. This information can also be utilized when drying and for improvement with future harvests. All the data from the analyzer or moisture meter is automatically sent to the Tuntel software, and it is stored with other information about that load of grain. Once the grain has been analyzed, the sample is bagged and a label containing the relevant measurement data from the analyzer is printed out via the Tuntel software. Further tests can then take place if necessary to ensure that the grain is not sprout damaged and is suitable for milling. Providing that the grain is to the desired quality, the driver is then told by the operator which storage location the grain should be offloaded in. Once the vehicle has emptied into one of the nearby stores, it returns and is weighed on the out weighbridge. Note that vehicles can be weighed in and out simultaneously. This helps speed up the efficiency of the whole measurement process during busy periods. The empty weight of the vehicle is deducted from the fully loaded weight that was previously captured to automatically provide a net weight. This net weight is added to the ticket, and a final ticket can be printed out for the driver, showing the amount of grain that has been brought in and the analysis results for that load. In summary, the Griffith weighing hardware and Tuntel software provide an elegant solution streamlining the entire grain storage process from intake through analysis and into the store. We help to ensure the high quality of your grain, removing the worries of rejection at the earliest possible stage